Hello once again, audience. When we left off, we were looking at a brown reverse air Hunter original, and now it is time for a white and brass 52-inch Fasco Centennial. So this ceiling fan utilizes Fasco's Vari-Low system, which is a variable speed system that they came up with, no doubt during that time in the 80s when most fan companies were in that copy Casablanca mindset. And it's an alright system. It does have a relatively unique spin, however, which I will get to in a moment. There's the knob for the variable speed. The switch cap screws on with a little nipple there, which is unique. And there's the chain pendant I added myself, and it does have the thing that flicks down like that instead of an actual chain that pulls. I've always found those kind of cool. Blades are a little roughed up, but nothing too bad. A few scuff marks here and there, but again, nothing too bad. And then there's the top. And the reason the downrod on it is brown is because apparently original owners of Fasco fans can't keep their mounting bits together worth a damn. So the mounting bracket is gone, and the original downrod, which is right here, the double claw hook on it is too skinny. These guys are too close together to fit on a Hunter original mounting bracket style, which is what I have up on this rig here. So I borrowed the downrod from my Emerson Casablanca Classic style, which is brown and brass, hence the brown downrod. As the Emerson Casablanca Classic style's downrod was thin enough where it would fit in the Fasco's downrod coupler, but also the double claw hook was wide enough to the point where it would fit on the Hunter original mounting system. So with that, let's ignite power and start it up. So that is, yes, that's as slow as it goes. It's basically the equivalent of a Fasco low. So as for the Vari-Low system, you have two settings in terms of the speeds. You have the variable setting, and then you have absolute high, is what I call it. So the first pull gets you a range of speeds ranging from a low to like a faster medium. And then the second pull gets you high, and then the variable speed knob there does nothing. And then the third pull turns it back off, and then the cycle repeats. So it is rather interesting how, despite using variable speed, it has, two speed areas, quote unquote. You have the variable speed range, and then you have the high speed. I mean, I'm pretty sure I know why they did it like that, but at the same time, it's kind of advantageous, Cool idea. Anyways, turn it up a bit. Has that nice Fasco low that all the Fascos have. And there's like a lowish medium. Do get a little bit of wobble at this speed. And it does have some motor hum, but that's to be expected with variable speed fans in most cases. Turn it up some more. And it is a little hard to gauge how far you're turning the knob on these Vari-Low systems with Fasco, because there's no little notch or arrow or anything that indicates how far it's turned, like on all of Casablanca's little potentiometer knobs and their cardboard box variable knobs too. bit more. We're about medium territory right here. Don't think it gets too much faster than this at the Vari-Low system. Yep, that's as fast as it gets on that setting. Performance is very good, blowing a lot of air, and it kind of drowns out the motor hum partially, which is nice too. Anyways, now I'll pull this again and take it up to high. And since it's off the variable speed system now, the motor quiets down. Turn it off, and there you go. This is my 52-inch white and brass Fasco Centennial ceiling fan. I gotta pause it. Thanks for watching. Click on the link that goes to my channel and wait about 2 to 3 weeks for the next video. Bless your face. If you've ever sneezed on a ceiling fan, bless you. Peace off.